Hi, welcome to BritDoesBBQ. I'm Mr. T. Got myself a new toy. This is a sous vide, the Joule. Now I've gone and got myself a New York strip. So this is going to be my first cook using this. We're going to cook it in the sous vide and then we're going to put it on the barbecue. Hope you enjoy it. Let's see what it tastes like. So here's the steak. Looks good. So we're going to season this. Simple seasoning. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. I'm going to wrap it in a vacuum sealed bag using the food saver. Start with the salt, black pepper, garlic powder, press and turn. There we go again. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. Do the edges with what's on the bag. Okay, so let's get this vacuum sealed. Now I'm sure a lot of you have seen these before, but I'll just run through basically what it is. We're going to cut a bag big enough for the steak. Just push down like that. We'll seal one end. Seal. Miracle of time. That's that done, and you can see there's a seal put on there. But I'm just going to put a second seal on, just because I'm just a little bit cautious. There's a second seal. You can see nothing's going to happen. So now we're going to put our steak inside. Try not to get the edges dirty. Like so. Then we're going to put this end in here, into the vacuum basket. Close down the lid. And vacuum seal. There we go. And once again, just for good luck, seal one more time. That's done. So there we have it. Seasoned, sealed, ready to go in the sous vide. Okay, so we have the Joule, and we have the Joule app. We've got it set to 52 degrees for a cook time of about 2 hours. We're going to put this in there. Well, let's have a look. There we have it. We'll slice this open and put the steak on some kitchen paper. Smells wonderful. And we'll just make sure that that dries off properly. That way we can get a good sear on there. Drizzle with a little bit of oil just to accelerate that browning. Same on the other side. Just a little drizzle, not a lot. Especially on that fat cap. There we go. Let's take it outside. So we have some nice hot coals. And we'll put the steak on to get that crispy. It's time for our first turn. Give it a couple of minutes on this side now. then we'll let it up on its fat cap just to get that crispy. And then we'll call it a day. Okay, let's go and try it. So this is what we have. Crispy fat, moment of truth. There it goes. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked. Will do. Let's give this a try. Here goes. One piece. Now, this is not a prime piece. This is my first steak that I've used under the, I think it's called Choice here. It's not as tender as the prime, but it's very juicy. It's a little bit of a chew. It's not quite a ribeye for me, but it's cooked absolutely perfectly. As you can see, perfectly. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Give us some messages underneath. Give us some ideas of what to cook. I'm going to be using this sous vide a little bit more now, trying to incorporate them both with the barbecue, or even maybe some cooking on the stove. Thanks for watching. See you again.